Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, and in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we will be unboxing the Soundcore Motion Plus wireless hi-fi portable speaker by Anker. So I got this on sale from Amazon for $79.99 from Amazon. Today we will be unboxing this thing and checking this portable speaker out. But before we do, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here it is. Here is Anker's Soundcore Motion Plus wireless hi-fi portable speaker. Here's what the portable speaker looks like. Here it says it features an immersive high-res sound. Can't wait to check that out. Here we have high-res audio. This is a 30-watt speaker with a 12-hour playback time. This is aptX 7 waterproof, and this is powered by Qualcomm's chip, and this is Bluetooth enabled. So that is the presentation by Anker Soundcore Motion Plus portable speaker. Here on this side of the box, it says incredible sound loved by 10 million plus people. Let's take a look on the other side of the box. The other side of the box says room filling sound. Here you can see the breakdown of the components that makes up this speaker. And now with that being said, let's take a look on the back side of the box. So here is the back side of the box, Soundcore Motion Plus. This is a 30-watt room-filling sound speaker. This has BassUp technology. You can extend the treble and bass using the app that's available. This has an active crossover. 12-hour playtime for this speaker with a battery inside. This is a fully waterproof aptX 7, and this has a customizable EQ. You can download a Soundcore app to mess with the settings. This has wireless stereo pairing, and this is charged by USB-C connectivity. So here on the bottom left corner, you can see what's inside the box. What's inside the box is a Soundcore Motion Plus, USB-C cable, and an aux jack. So here you can download the app, and here's the back side of the speaker. And yeah, so let's go ahead and take a look on the front side of the box. And now with that being said, let's go ahead and unbox the Anker Soundcore Motion Plus speaker. So simple unboxing. All we have to do is pull this tab and lift the top up. Once you do that, here we are presented with the speaker itself. So let's go ahead and pull this out of the box. So once we pull the speaker out of the box, all we have to do is remove from the plastic encasing here. Once we do that, we have two reading materials, which we'll check that out soon, and we get two cables, an aux cable and a USB-C cable. And now let's go ahead and take a quick browse through Soundcore Motion Plus Quick Start Guide. Here you can see the illustrations, so it's a basic visual quick start guide. Here you can see how to power this up, where you would charge this speaker, how you can pair this up via Bluetooth, and here's the link for your support. So here's the back side where it teaches you where the aux cable goes. Here you can know where the play sound is. TWS, I think this is where you sync. If you have two speakers, you can use it for one for each side. Here you can download a Soundcore app from the App Store and the Google Play Store. And yeah, so that is the quick start guide. Here you get 2 cables. This is a USB-A to USB-C cable from Anker. And here's the aux cable, pretty basic aux cable. And let's go ahead and take a look at what this is. This is your health and safety warning booklet, and that's that. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Soundcore Motion Plus speaker. All we have to do is remove it from its protective sleeve. And here is the Soundcore Motion Plus by Anker. Here you can see the branding. Really love the way it looks. Really love how it feels. This is a soft touch material that is encased for the speaker. Here you can see the buttons. Here you can see all the output. Here's the bottom side where it's gripped. Here's the other side. And here is this side where you have the power button and this flap that covers your port. So let's remove the flap. Here you can see the USB-C and aux input. Here you have the power button. And here's the back side of the portable speaker. And now let's go ahead and power this on for the first time. So that is the welcoming sound once you power this on. And now let's go ahead and take out the app. So get out your phone, download the Soundcore app, and let's go ahead and pair this up. Here this is how you would pair this up. And before you do, you have to update the firmware. So let's go ahead and update the firmware. And yeah. So once you update the firmware, here you can explore the settings of the Bluetooth speaker. Here you can adjust the wave equalizer. You have many options to find your desired taste for this Bluetooth speaker. And yeah. And let's go ahead and test the Bluetooth speaker out. Here's my favorite song, Ganja, and enjoy. So hope you enjoyed this audio test of this Bluetooth speaker that is the Soundcore Motion Plus by Anker. Really love this Bluetooth speaker. If you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below what you think about this Bluetooth speaker. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to get my other YouTube content that is on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trinh. I'll see you on next one.